Alright, so I'm at a pool party right now, and I decided to take a quick look at their air conditioners. So let's see what we got here. Here's a Payne. Emerson Copeland scroll. And if you look here, it is a heat pump. That's awesome. I'm gonna try to get to the data. It's a 2024 1.5 ton. Wow. I didn't expect this to be a 1.5 ton. And it's got a broad ocean fan motor. It has been running. I think. The accumulator's sweating a little bit, so it's probably been running. And here we have a York LX. And it is also a heat pump. And yeah, no microchannel because microchannel Yorks do not, heat pumps do not have microchannel. Yorks at least. York heat pumps do not have microchannel. It tells a 19 4-ton. That's a 14 SEER. There's the remains of the energy guide. Oh yeah. That is very ice cold and sweaty, and that is outdoor temperature. So yeah. These are the 2 units at the pool party I'm at right now, so. Or should I say, the 2 heat pumps at the pool party. So here's a quick, here's the Payne running. It's getting cold. Yeah. (2024) 1.5 ton. These are both 14 SEER units. So, and they sound really nice together. So yeah, I think I'm going to combine the videos. So thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe to my channel, and well, I'll see you on the next one. Over and out.